Sounds of vowel O. Read the words aloud. Dog, cow, hot, mop, box, top. Read some more words with sounds of vowel O. Pot, cot, dot, lot, pop, cop, hop, stop, jog, fog, log, cog, ox, box, fox, dogs. Read OY words, OI words. Boy, toy, joy, coy. OD odd words. God, rod, nod, pod. OB ob words. Mob, bob, rob, job. ON on words. One, sun, born, con. OOK ook words. Book, look, took, cook. ORN on words. Corn, horn, worn, born. Read and rhyme. Todd has a pot. Todd has pots. He drops the pots into the pot. The pot is hot. The pots pop, pop. Todd has a pot. Todd has pots. He drops the pots into the pot. The pot is hot. The pots pop, pop.